So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given that there is some isosceles right angled triangle, right? And the perimeter of that is 16 plus 16 root 2. And we have to find what is the length of the hypotenuse. Very simple question, nothing difficult in this. So let's draw a isosceles right angle triangle, right? So this is a right angle triangle, right? And this is 90-degree. An isosceles right angle triangle means this side is equals to this side. I hope this is absolutely clear, right? Okay. Now, tell me one thing. If this side is equals to this side, let's say this is x. So this will also be x, right? This is x, this is x. So this will also be x. So what will be the hypotenuse be? The hypotenuse will be what? X root 2, right? I hope this should be completely fine because x square plus x square, that is 2x square. So root of 2x square is how much? X root 2. So that is how the hypotenuse came. I hope all of this should be completely fine, right? Now tell me one thing, what will be the perimeter of this triangle? The perimeter will be 2x plus x root 2, right? X plus x root 2. So that means 2x plus x root 2 will be the perimeter, right? And that is equal to how much? 16 plus 16 root 2, right? Which is equals to 16 plus 16 root 2. So we have to find the length of x root 2 over here, right? I hope this makes complete sense. Okay. So now tell me one thing. 8, 2 root 2, right? So for example, if we just try to solve this, right? So if we take x common over here, if we take 2x common, let's say, so we will get 1. Or if we take root 2, we take x root 2 common, right? So what will we get? We will get 1 plus this will get root 2, right? So if you multiply this, x root 2 plus 2x, right? That is equals to, if over here we take 16 common, right? So what will we get? We will get 1 plus root 2. I hope this makes complete sense. It's just about solving whatever way you want to solve it. So if this gets cancelled, so what we are left with is x is equals to 16 upon root 2, right? X is equals to 16 upon root 2. So if you multiply root 2 on both the sides, root 2 upon root 2, so this becomes 2, right? So this becomes 8 root 2. I hope this makes sense, right? So x comes out to be 8 root 2. So we had to find the hypotenuse, which is x root 2. So x root 2 means 8 root 2 into root 2, which is 8 into 2, which is 16. So final answer becomes 3. The third option, which is 16, right? Because 8 root 2 into root 2, which is 8 into 2, which is 16, right? So your final answer becomes 16. I hope all of this should be very basic.